What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you, what's goody, what's good? Guys, had to take a couple days off, man. Was under the weather here. Had a, head cold. A lot of, congestion in my chest. And, with me being one of those people that was diagnosed with that beautiful thing that they call lupus, mine's is really non-active. So, but the thing is that, with the things that I have, the maintenance stuff, the medication that they put me on, stuff like that, it suppresses your immune system. So it makes you easier to, catch colds. I don't catch colds a lot. Or, like allergies could flare up. It's a little harder for you to get rid of your allergies, things like that. That's the difference, when you're kind of, doing stuff like that. So I used to not get sick at all, like literally, and then all of a sudden, I get sick and then it lingers on for about a week, longer than what I usually expect a cold or so. But it's going away so I can get back to my videos. Good, let's get it. But at the end of the day, man, I really want to talk to you guys about, making money and why if you're going to join or if you're looking for a way to make money, I'm going to always tell you MCA and being a part of TCP. That's going to be what's going to get you going at the end of the day. It's going to completely just get you started. MCA is a good program. It's for the United States and Canada. And a lot of people only want to deal with things strictly in the United States and Canada because overseas a lot of fraudulent things could happen. I'm not saying that it happens because I deal with a lot of business. I have a lot of other programs that people from overseas could actually join. So it doesn't stop me from still promoting my business opportunities to other people. Now, if you're going to look into a way to make money, MCA is a good way to do it, but people just are not educated on making money online at the end of the day. They don't know how to go out and advertise. As far as, people talk about, doing free marketing, posting in groups. I mean, you're posting in groups, but you gotta really realize that you have to have thick skin if you're going to be one of the people that post in groups, because you're going to have people that say this is a scam. Go get a real fucking job. I mean, it's shit like that. You be like, what in the hell? Got people, man, gotta watch them, make sure they don't hit my car. It's just the morning, I just dropped my kids off, so I gotta make sure people don't hit my ride, man. So can't have them hitting on my ride or nothing like that. But pretty much here, man, just dropped off my babies. Once I hit this curb, this turn here, and I can get back to what I was rapping about. Come on, Grandma. Come on, Grandma. Come on, Grandma. All right, we good. All right, but if you're gonna really be involved, a lot of times people want to actually deal with things that are strictly for the United States. Now with MCA, it's for the United States and Canada. Now when you join MCA, like I said, you can make a lot of money. You can make a lot of money inside of the program. But then again, you have to be educated in the business. You got to be educated in the business at the end of the day. So if you're not educated, it's going to be very hard and difficult for you to do advertising, for you to promote and market. So a lot of people, they'll go and post and they'll market in these groups. And then when they're marketing in these groups, they don't really know. Like I said, you're gonna have people talking big shit to you. So they're going to be talking real big shit. And that's why I say you got to have thick skin. You got to be ready to explain your business. You got to be ready to explain why people can make money with your program. You got to be ready to, show proof. You got to be ready to defend that and stand on your business. If you're going to be, posting in groups, you don't really have a budget to really do paid marketing or anything like that. But if you do have a budget, that's cool, because I actually have a free training when you join me in any of my programs that show you guys how to actually do paid marketing with social media. That's the best form of marketing right now. And if you don't want to do that, then you're going to get your marketing system, which I didn't touch bases on a marketing system. A marketing system is what's going to do all of the selling and telling for you. So when somebody asks for business information, when someone asks for information regarding your business, you can give them your marketing system link. That marketing system is going to pretty much do all of the selling and telling for you. It's going to do all of the following up. And then that also, where you still want to do your own follow-ups and stuff like that. But you got something that's sending messages out, keeping that stain on your potential new partner's brain. So now they're, okay, I've been meaning to check this business out, and eventually they join the business opportunity because you stay consistently reaching out to them. You know, you were sending broadcast messages to them. You can send broadcast text messages. So that is why I say is that if you're going to always be in a program, you still want to have a marketing system. And with this marketing system, we offer free training as well as far as how to actually do free marketing on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, okay, and offline. So the whole goal is just completely help you, okay, get you to the point to where you can really make money online. Now, I actually have a system already set up for you. So the same thing that I'm talking about, a marketing system and the main program with this. So with Motor Club of America, you can earn $80 to $90 per referral, which means that if people go out and they refer people, or they'll get people to sign up for their membership or benefit package, and they're going to pay you a 200% commission. So people are making anywhere between $80 to $1,000 plus a week, and that's paid directly into their bank accounts. That Tahoe's nice, nice ass Tahoe, and it's paid right directly into their bank accounts. That's slick. That's cool. So I don't think, you know, you would want to turn down some good money, man. But making that, and then here's the thing, is that when you also get your marketing system pays you a $25 residual income. So now you're making a residual income on top of that. So instead of making $80, you're now making a potentially, you know, $100, $105, you know, $110, depending on how many sales you got with MCA that week. See, the goal is to really help you make money, you know, and I have a whole system set up, already. So only thing you need to do is click the link at the bottom, get signed up, let me know you're in. I'm going to get you the codes to set up your system and walk you directly through it, and you're going to be good, okay? So I'm here to help you guys out. I'm here to help you make money online. I'm going to leave a link right at the bottom. So this is your boy Jay. Guys, it's Thursday. Get positioned to make some money, okay? Don't keep waiting out here. So many businesses are closing. People are losing jobs, all because online is taking over. Get involved. Get positioned to learn something, okay? This is your boy Jay. I'm out. Have a beautiful and blessed Thursday. Click the link at the bottom. Hit that subscribe button. Share the information. I'm out. Peace.